Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. This is your second class of grammar. Let's start it. What are they doing? What are they all doing? Look at these pictures. This is Mark. He is kicking the ball. The man is reading a book. The boy is running fast. In these all pictures, the action is being done. In these all, the action is being done means काम हो रहा है. He is kicking the ball. वो बॉल को किक मार रहा है. The man is reading a book. आदमी किताब पढ़ रहा है. The boy is running fast. लड़का तेज दौड़ रहा है. These all are in present form. यानी इसमें काम होता हुआ आपको पता चल रहा है, अभी काम हो रहा है. At this moment, the action is being done. Today in this lesson, I am telling you the use of ing verb, the use of ing verb with present, the use of ing verb in present situation. For these, we use helping verbs like am, is, are. Sleep is a verb and we add ing with this, so it becomes sleeping. Go, now this is going. Buy, buying. So sleeping, going, buying, any ing verb we use with am, is, are in present form. Am, is, are helping verbs. In this chart, I am telling you which helping verb is used with which pronoun or noun. For he, she, it and singular noun, we use is. Like he is going, she is going, it is going, Ali is going. For you, we, they and plural noun, we use are. Like you are eating, we are eating, they are eating, Ali and Sarah are eating. And for I, we use am. Like I am eating, I am sleeping, I am going. This is the page of the booklet that I have provided you. Hopefully you have done exercise 4. If you have not done yet, it's fine. You can do now. This is a table. With the help of this table, you have to make sentences. Helping verbs are given. Am, is, are. 3 helping verbs are given. You have to use these helping verbs to make complete sentences like we. So for we, yes, we use are. We are walking on the road. He is sitting on the chair. I am eating an apple. She is going to the school she is going to the school. They are taking breakfast. Children are playing in the garden. Bilal is writing on the board. Sana is swimming in the river. You are flying a kite. Sana and Bilal are running fast. Students, there is a speaking exercise for you. With the help of these pictures, you have to speak one sentence about each picture. What is going on? Means you have to use verb, ing verb with helping verb am, is, are. So think about it. I am giving you enough time. Make sentences for all pictures. Hopefully you have done. Now there is a girl, Hania. She will tell her sentences. Hania, come and say. Number 1.
Imi is putting up. Imi is
Loudly,
putting.
loudly.
Imi is up. Imi is putting a plate on the table.
Very good. Now for number 2.
Uncle Jim is cleaning the carpet.
Good. Come to the number 3. Loudly.
Saba is washing the floor.
Good. Now number 4. Yes.
The servant is washing the pots.
Come to this picture. 5.
Hania is making the bed.
Now.
And Polly is pressing the shot.
Good.
They are cooking the meal.
Yes, very good. They are cooking the meal means there are 3 persons. So we use they, and for they we use are. Are helping verb. We will use are helping verb for they. Yes, next one.
She is giving water to the plants.
Yes, next.
The baby is swimming in the water.
Yes, last one.
Ali is playing the tennis.
Very good. Well done. Now you have to do this exercise by yourself.